For your tomorrow's menu, we suggest you prepare Gilt-head bream with potatoes. In a big bowl, shred the potatoes. In a blender, add the cloves of garlic and the twigs of thyme. Rosemary, separate the leaves of the rosemary from the twig. And dill, and add them to the blender. Next, add 4 spoons of olive oil and mix the spices. Add salt and black pepper. Add a spoon of the mixed spices and mix well. On the baking foil, sprinkle some of the olive oil. Next, on the 2 separate spots on the baking pan, add the shredded potatoes. On top of each of them, add half of the fish. Cover them with the shredded potatoes by forming a shell. Over the potatoes, add the mix of blended fresh spices. Cut the cherry tomatoes in half and place them around the fish. Place a half of a cherry tomato on top of each fish. Place the pan in the oven. Cook for 20 minutes at 400 Fahrenheit and remove the fish from the oven. On a serving plate, add 1 piece of the Gilt-head bream covered with potatoes. Decorate with a lemon. For preparing this meal, it takes about 40 minutes. Bon appetit!